What is natural language processing? Introduction to natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, is a field of artificial intelligence and computer science that focuses on the interaction between computers and humans in natural language. It involves analyzing, understanding, and generating the languages that humans use to communicate with each other. This technology is used in a variety of applications such as language translation, speech recognition, sentiment analysis, text summarization, and more. Natural language processing, NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence, AI, that deals with the interaction between computers and human languages. NLP is used to analyze, understand, and generate human language. Some examples of NLP tasks include: make sure to watch to the end of this content. I added several bonus information beyond natural language processing, NLP, basics. Also subscribe for more artificial intelligence and machine learning updates. 1. Language translation. This is the task of automatically converting text from one language to another. For example, Google Translate is a widely used tool that allows users to translate text from one language to another. 2. Speech recognition. This is the task of automatically converting spoken language into written text. For example, Apple's Siri, Amazon's Alexa, and Google's Assistant are all examples of speech recognition systems. 3. Sentiment analysis. This is the task of determining the attitude or emotion of a piece of text, such as a social media post or a customer review. For example, a sentiment analysis system can be used to determine whether a customer review of a product is positive or negative. 4. Text summarization. This is the task of automatically generating a summary of a longer piece of text. For example, a news article summarization system can be used to generate a brief summary of a news article for readers who don't have time to read the entire article. 5. Chatbot. A chatbot is a computer program that can conduct a conversation with human users through text or voice interactions. NLP is the technology that enables chatbot to understand the natural language of human and respond accordingly. These are just a few examples of the many tasks that NLP can be used for. It has wide range of application in many industries such as healthcare, banking, customer service, e-commerce, and many more. Benefits of natural language processing. Natural language processing, NLP, has a wide range of benefits, some of which include: 1. Improved communication. NLP enables computers to understand and generate human language, which can improve communication between humans and computers. This can be used in applications such as machine translation, speech recognition, and text-to-speech synthesis. 2. Increased efficiency. NLP can be used to automate tasks that would otherwise be done manually, such as data entry and text summarization. This can save time and increase efficiency in a variety of industries. 3. Improved customer service. NLP can be used to develop chatbots and virtual assistants that can understand natural language queries and provide helpful responses. This can improve customer service and increase customer satisfaction. 4. Automated language translation. NLP can be used to develop automated translation systems that can translate text from one language to another. This can be used to improve communication and understanding between people who speak different languages. 6. Advancements in other fields. With the advancements in NLP, it can be integrated with other fields such as computer vision, robotics, and other AI-related fields to improve their performance and make the outcome more accurate. Disadvantages of natural language processing. While natural language processing, NLP, has many benefits, there are also some disadvantages to consider. 1. Limited understanding of context. NLP algorithms can have difficulty understanding the context in which a word or phrase is used, which can lead to misinterpretations or errors. This is especially true for idiomatic expressions, figurative language, and sarcasm. 2. Limited performance with low resource languages. NLP algorithms typically require large amounts of labeled training data to perform well, which can be difficult to acquire for low resource languages, resulting in poor performance. 3. Privacy and security concerns. NLP models may process sensitive personal data, such as medical records or financial information, which can raise concerns about privacy and security. 4. Bias. NLP models can be biased based on the data they were trained on, which can lead to unfair or inaccurate results. Hit the like button and subscribe for more artificial intelligence and machine learning updates. When is best to use natural language processing? Natural language processing, NLP, is best used in situations where human language is the primary means of communication and understanding, such as: 1. Language translation. NLP can be used to automatically translate text from one language to another, making it useful for businesses that operate in multiple countries or for individuals who need to communicate with people who speak different languages. 2. Speech recognition. NLP can be used to automatically convert spoken language into written text, making it useful for applications such as voice-controlled assistants, transcription services, and accessibility tools for people with speech impairments. 3. Sentiment analysis. NLP can be used to analyze text data, such as customer reviews or social media posts, to determine the sentiment or emotion expressed in the text. This can be useful for businesses that want to understand customer sentiment and preferences. 4. Text summarization. NLP can be used to automatically generate a summary of a longer piece of text, such as a news article or research paper. This can be useful for individuals who want a quick overview of a text, or for businesses that want to extract key information from large amounts of text data. 5. Chatbot. NLP can be used to develop chatbot that can conduct a conversation with human users through text or voice interactions. This can be useful for customer service and support, as well as providing information in various domains. These are just a few examples of the situations where NLP can be useful. It can be applied to many industries such as healthcare, banking, customer service, e-commerce, and many more. In summary, natural language processing, NLP, is a field of artificial intelligence and computer science that deals with the interaction between computers and human languages. It involves analyzing, understanding, and generating the languages that humans use to communicate with each other. NLP techniques can be used for a wide range of tasks such as language translation, speech recognition, sentiment analysis, text summarization, named entity recognition, and more. NLP is best used in situations where human language is the primary means of communication and understanding. While it may not be the best choice in scenarios where structured data is available, data is not in natural language, data is too noisy, interpretability is important, or when there are privacy and security concerns. Thank you for watching.